Hey everyone, I got a story for you today that really highlights the importance of having a smart and secure AI solution. So picture this. I get an SOS call from a banking client. The voice on the other hand is frantic. We developed a chatbot for our bank using AI, but today a customer complained that he was conned when he used the support number given by the chatbot. How do we fix this? I could hear the urgency in his voice. So I suggested, why don't you use the rag? There was a pause. And then he replied, how will using a piece of cloth help? I couldn't help but laugh. No, not a rag. I explained. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It is a game changer for chatbots. To help him understand, I painted a scenario. Imagine this. Without RAG, a customer asks the chatbot, what is the support number for the bank? The chatbot looks up on the internet and finds a con artist number, say 1-800-444-3333, and gives it to the customer, who then gets conned. Scary, right? But now, let us introduce the retriever. With RAG, the customer asks the same question, but this time the retriever steps in. It takes the question and adds the information, the bank's customer support number as 1-800-555-4769, the correct number, and sends this enhanced prompt to the chatbot. The chatbot then returns the correct number to the customer, ensuring they get the right information and stay safe. He was intrigued, so I went on. The retriever gets this information from a custom knowledge base, which we call a vector store. This vector store is like a library where all the bank's verified information is stored. So, whenever the chatbot needs to answer a question, it fetches the most accurate data from this library. Seeing he was hooked, I decided to dive deeper. Let me take a step back and explain how this works. To create this vector store, we need an indexer. The indexer takes all the raw data from the bank's knowledge base and breaks it down into smaller pieces called tokens. Think of tokens as individual words or phrases that make it easier to search for information. The tokenizer is like a librarian, I told him. It organizes the knowledge base into these tokens, making it easy for the retriever to quickly find the right pieces of information when a question is asked. Now that I had explained all the pieces, I went on. So here is how it all comes together. First, the indexer tokenizes the knowledge base and stores it in the vector store. When a customer asks a question, the retriever converts the prompt into tokens, sends those tokens into the vector store, retrieves the relevant tokens from the vector store, adds them to the prompt tokens, and sends all these tokens together into the AI generator, like ChatGPT, which then creates a precise and reliable response based on the most accurate information. He said, this is all theory, but it may take a lot of code to do it in practice. I tell, calm down, I will show you a live demo with no code in ChatGPT itself. So I move on to show the demo on the platform of OpenAI. I am on platform.openai.com/playground. And we have many assistants here, and I have created one bank chatbot which has these custom instructions. So you are Marianne, the customer service chatbot for the Growing Money Bank. All questions are assumed to be for the Growing Money Bank. Note that the bank's website is www.growingbank.com. So it has all this information about the custom instructions. Then it uses the model GPT-4o Under Files, you have added a PDF bank knowledge.pdf which contains the bank's information into this chatbot. This is stored in the vector store by ChatGPT. Now, when I ask the chatbot a question, how do I contact the bank? It says, you can reach Growing Money Bank's customer service in the following ways. It gives the correct phone number here, 1-800-555-GROW, that is 4769. Or you can visit the growingbank.com website. This information is available in the PDF. This is the bank knowledge.pdf that contains the bank's custom information. Like what are the opening hours, how can I apply for a loan. Similarly, how can I contact customer service? You can reach our customer service by calling the phone number 1-800-555-GROW 4769. So that is the information it has given when asked about contacting the bank. This way, your customers will not get conned. Note that this chatbot is developed in minutes without writing any code. You can just run it here. So why is RAG such a big deal? For starters, it significantly improves the accuracy of the information provided by chatbots, which boosts customer trust and satisfaction. It also enhances security by ensuring only verified information is shared, helping to prevent fraud. In short, RAG can transform customer service by making chatbots much smarter and more reliable. In conclusion, RAG is a powerful tool for enhancing AI interactions. By combining data retrieval with generative AI, it ensures artificial intelligence systems provide accurate and contextually relevant responses. So, if you are looking to make AI tools more reliable and trustworthy, implementing RAG is definitely the way to go. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this story as enlightening as I did.